Hey, welcome back to the Copilot Studio Advent Calendar. Today, we're talking about how we can create custom agents. So first of all, this is the environment where we're just working. And then if you just click on create, then you can just click on new agent, but you can also use one of the templates, which I'm totally using today. So safe travels in that case. So this is an easy way of how you can create this one. So you will get a name and a description and also some instruction already. So once you just click on create, then you can have your agent within seconds, and then it's also ready to use. So in that case, this is now more or less ready. And then it just asks you, hi, I'm your safe travel agent, a virtual assistant, etc., etc. And then you can just any kind of questions where you want to go. And this is how you can create your agent very quickly. So follow us for more Copilot Studio tips and tricks, and bye.